To turn on Face ID on the BMO app, start by opening the app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is open, tap on the More menu, usually found at the bottom right or top right corner of the screen. Depending on your device, in the More menu, select Settings, which should be listed among the available options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. The security option may be listed under a different name such as Security Settings or Account Security, so look for the option that best matches this description. After selecting the security option, you will see a list of available security settings for the app. Look for the Face ID option and tap on the toggle button next to it to turn it on. You may be prompted to enter your password or other authentication details to confirm the change. If you are using an iOS device, you will need to allow the BMO app to use Face ID. To do this, go to your device's Settings menu, then select Face ID and Passcode, and make sure that the BMO app is listed under the Other Apps section. If it is not listed, you can add it by selecting the Other Apps option and following the prompts. On Android devices that support facial recognition, the process may vary depending on the device manufacturer and model. Generally, you will need to go to your device's Settings menu, then select Lock Screen or Security, and look for the Facial Recognition option. Follow the prompts to set up facial recognition and allow the BMO app to use it. After turning on Face ID, the BMO app will use facial recognition to authenticate your identity when you log in. This provides an additional layer of security and convenience, as you will no longer need to enter your password to access the app. Remember to keep your device and the BMO app up to date to ensure that you have the latest security features and updates. Also, be aware of your surroundings when using Face ID, as someone may be able to access your device if they have a similar face or if they use a photo or video of you to trick the facial recognition system.